Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some significant developments in the tech world. We will explore the rising number of job losses caused by artificial intelligence known as AI as highlighted in a recent report. Additionally, we will dive into Meta's surprising shift in work culture, transitioning from remote work to in-office work. Stay tuned to find out more. According to the monthly report from Challenger Gray and Christmas, AI has become a significant factor in job losses. In May, nearly 4,000 people lost their jobs due to AI, marking the first time AI has been explicitly listed as a reason in the report. Out of the 80,000 job cuts in May, around 3,900 were attributed to AI. The report also mentions other contributing factors such as market conditions, cost-cutting measures, restructuring, and mergers. The overall job market has been facing challenges with approximately 400k jobs lost between January and May. This marks the worst start to a year since the pandemic-induced layoffs in 2020. The report revealed that the start of 2023 has seen the highest number of layoffs since the beginning of 2009. While the pandemic played a significant role, the inclusion of AI-related job losses indicates a growing trend. However, it's important to note that companies may be hesitant to disclose AI as a motivating factor for layoffs, making it difficult to determine the exact impact of AI on job creation versus elimination. Let's explore a couple of examples where AI replaced the job. Recently, the National Eating Disorder Association in the US replaced some helpline employees with an AI chatbot named Tessa. However, concerns arose when users reported receiving advice that could potentially harm those struggling with eating disorders. In another instance, a British telecommunications company announced plans to cut 55,000 jobs by 2030 but intends to replace 10,000 of those positions with the AI. Now let's shift our focus to the Meta, the company behind Facebook. Meta made a surprising announcement stating that starting from September 5th, employees will be required to work in the office 3 days a week. This marks a significant departure from the previous remote work culture that was embraced during the pandemic. Meta believes that in-person collaboration and the energy of working alongside the teams are crucial for building the future. However, employees hired for remote positions in areas without physical offices will not be affected by this policy. This shift in work culture by Meta is quite unexpected, considering the previous emphasis on remote work. In a recent interview, Mark Zuckerberg expressed his vision of having at least 50% of the company working remotely by end of the decade. Additionally, Meta's own product, Metaverse, was seen as a way to embrace virtual work options. However, Meta has been re-evaluating its approach to remote work this year, leading to a recent decision to mandate in-office work. The shift in Meta's policy and potential increase in in-office work may have implications for the Bay Area real estate market. As companies transition back to in-person work, the demand for office spaces and housing in the area might change. Additionally, Nvidia stock has experienced a surge of 25% due to advancements in AI. We will continue to monitor these developments and keep you updated. That wraps up today's video on the impact of AI on job losses and Meta's shift to in-office work. The rising number of job cuts attributed to AI emphasize the need for individuals to adapt their skills in this evolving landscape. Meanwhile, Meta's surprising decision to return to in-office work signifies a shift in the remote work strategy. We'll be sure to keep you informed about any further updates. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next video.